Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Techo all-mesh office chair, assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, mechanism, gas strut cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, 6 35mm bolts, 6 large washers, 6 25mm bolts, 6 small washers, 4 20mm bolts, and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Now, turn the seat pad upside down and align the holes on the backrest with the holes on the seat pad, securing with the 6 35mm bolts and large washers. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, attach the arms to the seat pad using the 6 25mm bolts and small washers. Each arm is marked underneath with L and R to indicate if it goes on the left or right of the chair. Again, only tighten the bolts when they're all inserted. Place the mechanism on the seat pad and secure using the 4 20mm bolts, making sure the arrow on the mech points to the front of the seat pad. We always recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. When all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Finally, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Techo all-mesh office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.